In this video, we will learn about HTML attributes. If you have not watched previous videos, click on the I button or click on the link of playlist provided in the description. HTML attribute is a way of adding additional information to our HTML tags. HTML attributes are key value pairs that define additional information applied on a tag. So on your screens, you can see a general rule of applying HTML attributes in HTML tags. Here, key is HTML attribute and value is the corresponding value that we give to the key, and that is the reason it is known as a key value pair. Image tag is used to add images in our HTML documents. Syntax of image tag can be seen on our screens. There are two syntax. In the first syntax, we are adding images by specifying their name and their extension, and in the second syntax, we are giving URL of the image. And in this syntax, src is the key and URL or name of the image is value of src. Here we can see two examples of our image tag. One is using image name, that is coding, and its extension, that is png. And another example is URL of the image, that is www.png.com. Let's use image tag in our HTML document to make things more clear. So here we will be using our first syntax of image tag, that is image src equals to wallpaper dot jpg, where jpg is the extension of our image file, and make sure that our HTML document is in the same directory as your images so as to easily link it. And let's just save it as image.html and let's see what happens. So here you can see that we have successfully linked our image to our HTML document, and we have not resized it yet because it is the part of CSS and we will be doing it soon. So here we will be using a second syntax of image tag, that is linking our image with a URL. So I have already copied a URL from the internet and then pasting it and saving our document. Let's see what happens. So here we can see that we have already added a picture in our HTML document, and here too we have not resized it. We will see it soon in our CSS videos. Anchor tag is used to create links in our HTML documents. We can link our local document created by us as well as any external site. Here href is the key and URL is its value. You can see syntax of anchor tag on your screens. First syntax is used to link another HTML document that we have created, and second syntax is used to link any external site that is on the internet already. If we don't specify HTTP before linking any other site, our HTML document thinks that we are in file protocol and it searches for that file inside our file system. And if we use HTTP, then our HTML document understands that we are using HTTP protocol and want to link any external site. So first we will be creating an HTML document that we have to link with our anchor tag. So let's just name it hello world, and inside our body we type hey there I am vision. Let's just save our document as hello world.html, and let's just create another document as an anchor.html, and inside this document we will be linking. So let's make it title as anchor tag, and inside our body we will be using a first syntax, that is ahref equals to hello world dot html. Here also make sure that both of the document are in the same file directory so that we can link it easily. And let's just name our link as vision, and let's just close our anchor tag and let's save it. So here when we open our document, you can see that we have created a link named as vision, and when we click on it, you can see the line is displayed, hey there I am vision. So basically two of our HTML documents are linked here. You can see that vision is the name of the link and it is going to hello world.html, and in hello world.html there is a message, hey there, I am vision. So let's just use a second syntax of anchor tag, that is ahref equals to https slash www.google.com. Here we are linking external site named as Google. Let's just name our link as Google and close our anchor tag, and let's just save it and go to our HTML document in browser. So here you can see that we have successfully linked our Google. Let's just click on it, and when we click on it we are going to the site Google. And let's just remove this HTTPS and see what happens, and save a document and just see what happens. When you will click on this, you can see that this URL is being searched in our file directory, that is C, and because of this we will be using HTTP so that it can search in HTTP protocol. In next video we will learn about HTML tables. Thank you for joining us. Please like, share and subscribe so that more of your friends get to know this skill, practice it and be a good web developer in the upcoming future. Thank you to all of you.